Hello everyone, today I'm going to share these beautiful traditional Madhubani paintings. So let's start. I have taken a scale and measured by making two borders. Like this I'm going to draw the borders also. And then I have traced one fish in the center. And I'm going to make some fins like this and make its eye smile. I have taken A3 hard sheet, and like this I'm going to make beautiful designs all over the fish. So now using CD marker I'm going to highlight all of these very nicely. I'm just making random designs so that it doesn't look empty, and this is how the border looks. Now I'm going to make the fish like this. And using red watercolors I'm going to paint the background. So this is how it looks. Now for the next one I have taken again a A3 sheet and I'm going to double the border like this, and like this I'm going to make one line. And I have traced one folk art into this, and using CD marker I'm going to highlight all the pencil lines, erase the extra ones, and then using watercolors only I'm going to paint it with random designs. So for the flower I have used orange, for the center I have used yellow, for the bird I have used yellow and navy blue like this. And then I have used brown for making some highlights, green for leaves, the colors are looking so vibrant, and for the minor details I'm using sketch pens and pencil colors like this. And for the border also I'm using sketch pens only, and for the details I'm using CD marker. So this is how it looks. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.